So now it's time to talk about the type of ad formats available, and Zeropark will offer 3 types of high quality traffic for your performance marketing campaigns. So once we go over the examples, as you go deeper into the video guides, we're going to reveal some information to help you get more familiar with push, pop, and domain traffic, and how you can receive additional traffic and more tips about running your campaign with each available ad format. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so you have a domain ad, and domain traffic from users typing in unused park domain names in the address bar of the browser is how you get these visitors. So these visitors are going to be redirected to a full screen ad that you're going to set up, and it's either going to be a landing page or an offer. So to understand a domain ad, you have to first understand the customer journey, because it takes probably a second for it to happen, and it's going to be based on impressions. So what happens is the user is going to be redirected by typing in a URL in the browser. So if there happens to be something misspelled or an akin domain name when they perform that search after they hit enter, they're going to be matched with a part domain name. So that's going to be created by the publishers, and then the user is going to be taken to that domain, but don't get to see the contents. So once the redirection is triggered and a part domain website starts loading, a real-time bidding auction around advertisers take place. So all of this happens like in the matter of a second. And while this page is loading, the advertiser offer that is selected, that is going to be where the user gets redirected, and that's the landing page that they're going to land on. We also have pop ads. So they are going to be a full screen ad format triggered by websites. So they're going to appear as a new window on a desktop or as a tab on mobile on top of the currently viewed tab or in the background. And then you have push ads. So they're going to be delivered directly to the desktop of mobile devices in the form of a push notification. And the link to your landing page or straight to the offer is how it's going to be received. So we're going to go ahead and dive into the necessary campaign guidelines and tips about target sources and tiers to help you set up successful campaigns. So we're going to get a chance to explore each ad format and break down how to create a successful ad format down from the ad copy into the creative to make sure that you get the right placement to maximize your ROI. So let's go ahead and get started.